money over here. Money over here. Shit. I think we should let you start.
I call it skit, I call it what? You call it this, man I call it that. Yo, bazuti the banyaga call back. Yo, Rono Reza Fute Shapurode. We just freestyling, and you know how it is when we're rhyming. Don't even pretend that it's that timing. So I told you 214.
Yo, I'm killing this game. Came through and brought a lot of pain. A lot of niggas know my name. M-A-C-J, no A, no Y. Don't ask why, cause I still say the same thing. Even if you ask twice, put Nico on the mic, let it go, let it rip right. We about to go live. 1, 2, 3 until 5.
Yeah, sometimes wanganyaga uwi with the scythe. I be chilling hayane with my wife. Make fam, you know about it. The fella that's the diva, so they shop as goodbye. So, we gotta make those speak a chote. This is hip hop, yeah. The way they shop nigga say stop. I call McJ on the MIC. That's the diva Africa, that's the real MC. So I do what I do, you can do what I do, but I can do what you do, cause man, you act a fool.
So, you better move. Get out, cause you might be fooled. We came through with a block and took everything, now we cool. And I told y'all, we way too school for cool. I mean, cool for school, these niggas are rude. They thought that if they act the fool, we might act the fool too. But we came through and make them realize that we just way too cool. Nicodemic.
Armatua, so hona part 2. Musically, lyrically, baratu. Son of Steve Bazor and the Ria Killer 2. And in Dot, man, Steve Bazor, machoted by the crew. The Mac Fang, I'll turn a Z-Way. The Mac Fang, on an E-Way. And Fang, I don't even hear what you say, man. That's a good up a fail.
The Mac Fam, only thing. The Mac Fam, better understand. The Mac Fam, better understand. The Mac Fam, the Mac Fam. Cause these niggas want me to rewind. My mind's still on pause when I feel like I could be the one who's writing these lyrics without actually writing, but just freestyling every time. Yep.
Twitter, someone must eat cause it's speaker. You must deep as on the guy that blind body pico. Call on the peach cause the juice tropical. The Mac Fam, Benny Sango Boyana Tomana Paiza. I want all the heads in this crime.
Yo, we ain't selling a Areco. Yeah, these guys are talking, they ain't wiser. Yep, I go hard even on the street. They all know I'm streetwiser. Spray like Cyplonade. Every time I make verses, I expect to get paid. Yep, we don't know hate, and we don't mess with niggas who throw some hate. Yeah.
So I didn't know homo. Rajena and Dibo Huna combo. Banner no homo, Jambon is homo. You're not able to daddy fang among the daddy combo. Yeah, but it me abanadin. Marasapu, me abanadin. So I wonder why I went here with me abanadin when it was me abanadin.
Wait, let me get it. I'ma freestyle this thing like king. I mean, him, you know him. Nicodemic, no other king. Yeah, we in it and we about to go handle our business and making profit every time we get it. And we never get it out, you lock it and keep it hot. Never non-stop, so you know I'm gon' drop until the day I put it on time.
But a king, the end. Cause Buzz D Bazare, I'm the freestyle king. And the father make J freestyling on this thing. Yo, now you're the freestyler, Benny Bali. I know who remain in Yarishava. The guy that record in better age Chichava. Barry flow touches it could deep as summer. Zaba on a bomb rep at Ziababa.
Bakorasa, it's still make J, so please sing a visor. Yeah, and they're not coach fire, so please sing a visor.